In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use time tracking in Monday.com, a powerful tool to manage projects and workflows efficiently. Let's dive right in and explore how you can make the most out of Monday.com's time tracking features to streamline your project management process. The first step is to visit the Monday.com website. If you haven't already, head over there and prepare to log in to your account. Once you've arrived at the login page, click on the Login button. For those of you using a Google account for easier access, you can click on the Google option and select the appropriate Google account you wish to use for logging into Monday.com. After successfully logging in, navigate to your board. This is your central hub for project management, where you can organize tasks, monitor progress, and, importantly, track time. It's essential to know your way around this area, as it will play a pivotal role in your time tracking endeavors. Once you're on your board, locate the Template Center. This is where you can find pre-made templates that will help you set up time tracking without having to start from scratch. In the Template Center, use the search bar and type in timesheet. This will help you find the relevant timesheet template suitable for tracking time effectively. Upon finding the timesheet template, click on it. This template is designed to make setting up time tracking quick and easy. Once you've selected it, simply click on the Use Template button. This action will add the template to your board, and you'll be ready to customize it according to your project needs. Next, to further tailor the template, you might want to add a new column. For this, click on the plus icon in your table. This flexibility allows you to include additional data points that are important for your specific time tracking requirements. From the column options, select the formula option. This feature allows you to create complex calculations and formulas within Monday.com, enabling you to analyze track time data in more depth. It's a powerful way to customize how time is tracked and reported. As part of Monday.com's intelligent features, you can use the AI Assistant tab, which provides more opportunities to automate your processes. Here you can type in any specific queries or commands you wish to execute or add to your system. Once you've input your desired query or instruction, click on the Send button. This will initiate the actions determined by your query. When ready, go ahead and click Insert to add everything into your system. Finally, conclude by clicking Set Formula to finalize your setup, ensuring all your configurations are saved and ready for use. By following these steps, you can effectively set up and use time tracking within Monday.com, enhancing your project management capabilities and ensuring that your team stays on top of its time management goals. Thank you for watching, and happy time tracking!